Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday, April the 22nd. Tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 3-box break. It is one of the Gold Rush autograph football jersey editions from 2017. It is also one of the Hit Parade autograph football jerseys from Series 15. That is box 83 of 100. Last but not least, it is one of our boom boxes. We let the customers pick between the stack of 3. They picked box C. We did random team sales. You can see on the far left. We have already randomized both teams and customers. We then alphabetized those customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade. Had a few things go down. Everything has been entered. Here we go. We are going to break our Gold Rush first, where you all are going to hear that pop of your seals, folks. Wow, guys, really great jersey, man. NFL's been treating you all pretty darn good here, man. Look at that, baby, guys. These are really great jerseys, guys. These things, I'm not even a Cowboy fan, but I got to admit, this is a great looking Troy Aikmen, folks. Great Troy Aikmen. There is your JSA. It is a custom, but I'm telling you guys, these things look really nice, man. These are really nice customs. Who has Datus? Drinkle. There you go, Emma Drinkle. Nice hit for you. I'm telling you, it's a nice jersey. There you go. That is box 1, man. Been telling you all night. NFL's been treating us pretty good here, guys. Couldn't believe we weren't breaking stuff, and we've been pulling hot fire for the last 3 days here, guys. I like the 3-boxer because, again, if, one product's always helping the other out, I guess, a little bit here. Well, guys, maybe not the highest end hit, and I just don't get why, man. Because he is one of the top 10 all-time leading rushers, man. And I just don't get why people do not like this guy. Frank Gore, folks. That is a Colts jersey. That is a Colts jersey. Completely unappreciated runner there. Who has the Colts? Billy. All right, here we go. This is our boom box. Once again, we let the customers pick between the stack of 3. They selected box C. Well, again, guys, maybe not the highest end hidden attack there, but it's a wonderful looking jersey, guys. I love these jerseys. I say it all the time. That there is a beautiful Kelvin Benjamin. Benjiman. Again, just wanted to get some slack on there. Y'all can see it is a custom, but these are killer customs, guys. He does a great sig, great looking friggin' jersey, guys. Who is the Panthers? Who is the Panthers? Panthers, Panthers. Okay, they're buying Carolina there, guys. There you go. Seeking. Nice hit for you, girl. Thank you for joining us for that 3-boxer. Y'all want to stop on buybreakers.tv. You will find me here at the Great Gatsby breaking all forms of memorabilia starting about 8 p.m. Central. Have a good one.